First, we start installing the mods and fixing them. And make sure the power cord is plugged into the corresponding module. Then, place the cooling fan at the designated location. Then fix the grill on the electric fan. Next, install the box power cord firmly on the box and secure it with screws. Connect the electric fan's wire to the corresponding power socket. Next, make sure you connect the power cords between the power sockets correctly. Organize them. Fix the receiving card next to the power socket. Then plug the cable into the corresponding module. Finally, connect the cables between the series modules. And use rolling strips to organize all the wires properly.